Hello everyone! Let's have a tour sa unit ng isa sa mga investors po natin dito sa Trees Residences in Quezon City. So, andito na po tayo sa unit ng investor natin. Ready for occupancy na po ito. And inavail po ng investor natin ang early occupancy program. It means po, pwede na po mag-move in early or ma-turn over ang unit kahit hindi pa po siya naka-loan sa bank. Yung requirements lang po for early occupancy program are signed contract to sell. So, dapat po yung CTS or contract to sell po is na-sign and na-send back po sa office ni SMDC. Notarized DOU or Deed of Undertaking. I-provide na rin po ni SMDC yung form. Complete post-dated checks or auto-debit enrollment for OFWs and local investors na rin. Depende po sa choice nila. And 5% spot down payment plus 2 months of monthly installment down payment para ma-process po ang turnover ng unit. Very smart move po ang ginawa ng investor natin kasi nakuha lang po niya ng very low price ang unit na to dahil naka-promo kami that time. 5 plus 15% po ang discount nila. And guess what? Less than 2 million lang po ang unit na to. Bale, nag-reserve po siya ng 25,000 pesos. Then, yung spot down payment niya po is 70,000 plus. Yung installment down payment po is 13,000 plus in 22 months. Then, yung loanable amount niya po is 1.5 million plus lang po. At kung ilo-loan po niya sa bank for 25 years, nasa 10,000 plus lang din po ang monthly amortization niya sa bank. So, kung ipaparent po ni unit owner ng 1,500 and for example, mabook po ng 20 days, may 30,000 na po si unit owner in 1 month. Kung i-less po natin yung monthly amortization sa bank and condo dues and other fees po kung ipapamanage niya ang kanyang unit, may matitira pa rin po kay unit owner. Paano po kaya kung ma-fully book siya in 30 days? Mas malaki pa yon, diba? And as time goes by, tumataas rin po ang rental rates natin. I can say na very smart move po talaga si unit owner sa investment niya po dito kay Trees Residences. By the way, located po si Trees Residences just behind SM City Fairview. Very secured, very accessible ang location, and very convenient po. For those who want to know more details and for those who want to avail a very affordable investment po, you can send us a message or contact us at 63915-006-9754. We will be happy to assist you.